Manikya Court and the Gulab Bagan are banned. They will not be allowed to function for next 1 year as marriage halls. All these people who are assembled here, they have violated the order under section 144 Criminal Procedure Code, and they will be prosecuted under 188 of Indian Penal Code. They will all be arrested right now.
So how many people?
And I will also recommend to the government to suspend OC of the West Agartala police station, because he has not acted upon repeated complaints of people. And I as a district magistrate had to come here. This is very shameful on the part of the police that they have behaved like this.
Sir, how many people arrested?
They will count. कितने लोग हैं इधर? काउंट करके बोलो.
सर ओसी
को कल मैं सस्पेंड करा रहा हूँ. तुम लोग जो काम कर रहे हो ना, अभी काउंट कर बोलो कितने हैं. चलो, वरना तुम भी जाओगे उसके साथ. चलो.
नहीं हूँ मैं सर, वो आ रहा है.
तुम जो भी हो काउंट करके बोलो. आई एम ब्लडी योर डिस्ट्रिक्ट मजिस्ट्रेट. ओके, व्हाट इज योर नेम? तुम भी जाओगे उसके साथ. तुम लोग साले ब्लडी, you all are hand in gloves with these people. Count and tell me. This is my command as a district magistrate. Count. You people have forgotten your bloody police training.